some card, some letter. Oh yes. Nice. What we got? Oh yes. Nice. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, okay. Right here. Nice. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Nice. And tap stack. Let's go. There we go. Nice. Okay, so total what we have is a Versa stack by Stack Ring. This thing holds them all together, right? So you have an option to bolt them tighter if you want that sound. I'll just leave them as is and try to experiment with those. See what we can come up with. I got a I forgot what it's called. I'll show it on the screen. A small donut ring that can be put above the mini hats or inside the mini hats. I'm gonna try to experiment with that. And the mini hi-hat that comes in three pieces. You can assemble this however you want, so you can play around with a setup for the mini hi-hat. I'm excited to try that. And I have this K-dry effect. I forget what it's called. I'll show it on the screen. So I'll set this all up and do some noodling.